What up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I was excited today because I'm supposed to go car meet right here in Nashville tomorrow. It calls Nashville Cars and Coffee. They do events every first Saturday of the month, and tomorrow is a Saturday, and there's supposed to be a huge car meet, but this thing decides not to go. The master cylinder went bad, and the clutch line, it went bad too, and I guess I'm not gonna make it tomorrow. But obviously I will record the video. I will go. I'm gonna drive the TL right there, and there's gonna be another 2 or 3 guys with the Z. Unfortunately, today this thing just broke down. I had a bad master cylinder, and the clutch line hose went bad. I don't know if that is a bad luck or what. It's a really huge event. They do every first Saturday of the month. They do every first Saturday of the month, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to drive this thing because that thing starts about 7 o'clock in the morning, and definitely I will not have time to fix this. But I will record the video tomorrow. I'm gonna drive the TL right there, because this thing's not gonna make it unless I wake up 3 o'clock in the morning and start working on it and pull the master cylinder from the Silver Z. That the one is becoming a spare car, or it's becoming a park car. I don't know. I will figure out something. I will see. All right. Okay, guys. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I had to go to my buddy's house to get the master cylinder from the silver one, and hopefully that will get fixed or problem, and then we can drive the car to the Nashville Cars and Coffee today. Otherwise, we had to drive the TL. We will see. Hopefully we can do it. And here it is. It's got some stuff in it, some parts. 14. Right here is what we need for the moment, just for the moment. I'm pretty sure we have to buy a new one anyways. And here it is. This is the thing. Hopefully this will do, and then we will be ready to heading up to Nashville Cars and Coffee. Yes, sir. All right, guys. I'm gonna install this thing, and hopefully that will be it. Okay, we were lucky this time. That was good. Was a little scary, but now it's all good. We bleed it, and then the clutch feels just right. The clutch feels how it's supposed to be, and we are about to go. We're just gonna do I'm just gonna do a small cleanup to it and get it ready. Knowing that it's not 100% finished or clean, I just want to drive it up there. That's gonna be all right, and I'm so excited now. Yes, I'm so excited now because we're gonna drive it. We are gonna meet some other C guys out there. That was good. I'm just gonna do I was gonna give it a small bat, and that should be good to go. I'm not quite sure if should I go clean up the engine bay or not. Maybe I will, maybe not. Because I want to clean this engine bay. I want to clean this this engine as I did with the red one, with the Red Z. I did a good job on that Red Z. Clean it. All right, this thing is clean and ready to go, huh? This thing is clean and ready to go. We're about to start driving up there, and here we are. We were lucky this time. We met the owner of DC. His name is Bobby. I will have his Instagram on the description if you guys want to follow him. That would be nice. His car looks really good. I really like it. And we saw another few Nissan 300 CX up here in this Nashville Cars and Coffee, but those is gonna be posted on the next video. This was a small video for you guys. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and see you on the next one.